If you like what you see, why don't you think about subscribing? And make sure to check out my channel for videos just like this. Welcome to another Disney video. I just want to let you all know I won't be doing too much voiceovers like I'm doing right now. I want you all to experience the same type of atmosphere I did when I was there. But there will be timestamps in the description, so if you want to jump around or jump to the actual ride itself, it'll be there. I'll see you soon.
You guys, keep your blue ID and your main gate, go right through there. They'll check you guys in, please.
Thank you.
Look at you, you got the GoPro, you're all ready for this.
Oh yeah.
Thank you, have fun.
Thank you. All right, folks, so we got our wristbands, thanks to my boy Matt. Nice. So this is the wristband you were talking about? You can just take.
Bounce around a bit during dining. If you are standing or sitting on the stairs.
Orange bands.
That is so cool. So we skipped the whole gate and just show our bands, y'all. That is amazing. Alright, so it's been a while since I've been here, you all. Back at the castle at the 50th with this ugly color. I don't know. So we have made it to the event entrance. Let's get it. Thank you all. Have fun. All right, y'all. So my boy Matt, get in the video, Matt. Hurry up. We made it to Tron, y'all. Let's get it. All that stuff, but Disney's not one of them. I'll try to pull one over again. I'm so excited that you all can see. I'm flying over our head. I'm gonna come back and do a full photo shoot once we get out of here, but for right now it's pretty dope. They were expecting this line to be long. Whew, this is crazy. Also have bathrooms, so the bathroom is right here. So exciting. Alright y'all, time to switch cameras. Let's
Attention users, you are about to be digitized into the world of Tron. For your safety in this world, all users should be in good health. You should be free from high blood pressure, heart, back, or neck problems. Prepare to be digitized into the world of Tron.
Team Blue, welcome to the grid. Proceed to gates.
Wow, that is crazy.
Remove phones, glasses, and other items that may fall off, and secure them in the storage area between the handlebar. To synchronize with your light cycle, kneel, lean, and pull the handlebars towards you. And stop.
Anything larger in a cell phone?
For your safety, remain seated on your light cycle at all times. Remember to kneel, lean, and pull the handlebars.
The futuristic lockers. They give you a card and then you scan and you put it in here. I know that guy too. I know that guy too. That's my homegirl's husband. Yeah, the guy that just told you that. Cool, I can use that for the video. Let me see it.
Just choose one?
I'll flip it around. Yeah, just choose one. There it goes. I'll put my sunglasses in there. So we're at number 6 again.
Congratulations, users. A championship performance and victory for Team Blue.
And that's how y'all did it, y'all. I got it this time, bro. rode it twice in a row. They were really nice. Mac, what'd you think of it?
And that was a lot of fun. Quite a good audio and stuff in there. Quite good visuals.
Yeah, so it's fun, but it's tight, y'all. Like, y'all saw what we just sat on in the picture. Oh my goodness. It's just a fun ride, but it's hard to do multiple rides in a row. Hope you enjoyed this video. I wanted to give you all the full experience without doing too much commentary over it like I usually do, especially for one of these theme park videos. So again, I hope you all enjoyed this style of the video, and I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching the video. If you like what you saw, please check out my channel for more videos just like this. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Until then, I'll see you next time. Peace.